Welcome to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what we confidently call the best reusable silicone food bags available right now. The Lerine 10-pack dishwasher safe reusable bags. These aren't your average food storage bags. They're a total game changer for anyone looking to reduce waste, stay organized, and store food smarter. Let's start with why these bags are making such a splash in the eco-conscious kitchen community. First off, they're completely dishwasher safe. Yes, you heard that right. Unlike many reusable bags that require tedious hand washing, Lerine bags can go straight into your dishwasher. Just flip them inside out and place them on the rack. It's that easy. Just keep in mind to avoid the high heat drying cycle to help preserve the material longer. Speaking of material, these bags are crafted from food-grade PEVA, an eco-friendly, BPA-free plastic alternative that's safe for food contact and known for its durability. PEVA is also freezer-safe, making these bags ideal for storing meats, seafood, vegetables, or leftovers without fear of freezer burn. Your food stays fresher longer, and your freezer stays more organized. Let's talk about performance. These bags are leak-proof. Thanks to a double-seal design, you can confidently store soups, sauces, or even marinated meats without worrying about messy spills. The airtight seal doesn't just keep liquids in, it also keeps air out, helping to preserve flavors and extend shelf life. What's really impressive is how eco-friendly these bags are. Each Lerine reusable bag replaces approximately 450 single-use plastic bags. That means less plastic in landfills and oceans, and more savings for you. Economical, sustainable, and stylish. It's a rare triple threat in the food storage world. Now, let's break down what you actually get in the 10-pack bundle. It includes 3-gallon size bags measuring 11 by 11 inches. These are perfect for bulk storage. Think marinating meats or storing large portions of fruit, veggies, or leftovers. Then, you get 4 sandwich-size bags at 8.7 by 7 inches. Great for packing school or office lunches, or storing small items like office supplies and toiletries. Finally, the set includes 3 snack bags at 8.6 by 4.5 inches. Ideal for dry snacks, nuts, or fruit slices. And while these bags don't stand up on their own and aren't microwave safe, they more than make up for it in convenience, capacity, and cleanliness. Just slide open the top seal, fill them up, and pop them in your fridge, freezer, or bag. The sleek, slim profile also means they take up way less space than traditional containers. Whether you're meal prepping for the week, storing leftovers, or organizing travel essentials, the Lerine reusable bags deliver performance, sustainability, and value. No more wasteful plastic. No more frustrating cleanups. Just reliable storage that keeps your food fresh and your conscience clean. If you're ready to level up your kitchen game, check out the Lerine 10-pack reusable silicone food bags, because when it comes to food storage, smarter is better. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more honest reviews that help you buy better. See you in the next one.